So to kick this off, this is what I'll be using to make the cutting board. I mean, these aren't anything special. That's just walnut. And honestly, I have no idea what those other two are. A guy just had a bunch of scraps and I grabbed them. So if y'all can help me out in the comment section to let me know what those are, I will owe you a cookie from Chick-fil-A. My only issue with these pieces is that they're like not thick at all. They're like 3/4 of an inch, maybe an inch, maybe I can't remember exactly, but yeah, they're not that thick. Next time I go out, I'm gonna try to see if I can find some wood that's at least thick like this one that you're watching right now. Now for the design slash pattern, I just kind of went with some random stuff. In the end, I kind of regret not putting more thought into it. I was just literally just playing around, just doing stuff. But next time, I'll make a proper design. Okay, gang, this is what I've come up with. I've been out here since hitting the stop button on the camera for about 30 minutes just playing around with these patterns. That is what I've come up with. And in case you're wondering, no, this is not going to be the size of the cutting board. This is going to be like a continuation. So I'm going to have this. It's kind of like this. Anyways, yeah, that's what I got. So now I'm gonna cut this down to the right width or height or whatnot. Same with this one, and then we're gonna do some glue ups. If you're a content creator, please let me know down in the comment section. Because, well, a content creator who is trying to be monetized on YouTube, you know, who's trying to make this a hobby that pays or whatnot. I just saw where YouTube said that you now need not 4,000 watch hours, but 8,000 watch hours. If you ask me, that's ridiculous. But listen, just keep grinding, keep working. And you know, let me know what I can do if you're trying to be monetized. Let me know what I can do to help out. Please reach out. Don't hesitate. If there's something I can do to help you, maybe share your channel or whatnot, woodworking channel or whatever kind of channel you got, just let me know and I'll take care of that for you. Because 8,000, I say take care of that. Like I'll try. Because 8,000 is just a little bit too much. Even though at the time of recording this, it is now August something, August a date. And I think you have until February before that takes effect. So like I said, keep grinding. Let me know what I can do to help you out. I'm always here to help because I remember going for 4,000 watch hours. That was a beast, bruh. So I just can't imagine trying to go for 8,000 hours back then. So just let me know what you need. Anyways, let's get back to building. This is probably my favorite part of this process. Is like scraping the glue off. I don't know what it is, the sound it makes, the boop, 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 or maybe something similar to that. You know the sound I'm talking about. Oh my days, I just love the way how it sounds. And I must warn you, I will be breaking some woodworking rules. Well, not some. I think it's just one. One woodworking commandment. Yeah. So be prepared to be pissed off, I guess, or I don't know. Be prepared to yell at me or something. Just just warning you. In the future, it's coming. Just be patient. Now here I am about to cut this down into I think 2¼ inch strips. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So yeah, I'm doing it. Yeah, that's 2½. There you go. There's another one, and then another one. Yeah, it's crazy how many times I'm gonna cut this. Actually, this is kind of lame. Let's just move on. You know, while gluing this up, I actually got like internally got excited because this thing was looking like it could be sellable. Like someone will actually like buy this, but I was soon humbled later on during the video. I wish I'd had more Purple Heart, but I think for the most part it looked fine. But yeah, I'm not as confident. Well, I know I'm not anymore. And I know earlier I told you that scraping the glue off like surfaces was one of my favorite things to do, but low key, this is also pretty satisfying as well. Not probably not my favorite thing, satisfying, but my least favorite thing to do is actually gluing this up and praying that it stays straight because this thing was stressing me out to put it mildly. Now it's the next day, and I'm getting this bad boy out of the clamps. Got it out of the clamp, and it's time to break some woodworking rules. Why say keep on saying rules? Time to break a woodworking rule. I will be running my end grain cutting board through my planer. Yes, I said it. And I'm going to do it because I don't own a drum sander. And plus, I'm a rebel. I want to see what happens. Well, sad to report, there are no explosions. However, I did have a heck of a lot of tear out. That is wild. I did expect to have tear out on the next time, or whenever I do this the next time. I'll probably use maybe put a chamfer on the end of it. But no, safe to say, not safe to say. I've already seen the video. I've seen the cutting board. I know this thing turned out right. Although it did trip my breaker. I was taking like eighth to a 16th off at a time, but I think it was just a little bit too powerful. Although I must also say that I am using a helical head in my planer, but even if I had like knives in it, I would still use it. But I think the goal is to just take just a minute amount off at a time, and you should be fine. But this is not any kind of instruction, so don't sue me if it explodes on you. Matter of fact, don't try this at home. Now, I bought this Juice Groove guide thing and to try it out. I'm not 100% happy with it. It's okay. It's not great. No, it's okay. It's okay. I wouldn't recommend it though. Oh, you saw that? That thing jumped on me, and guess where it jumped at? Right at the purple heart, man. Right where I had the purple heart, that thing just went for a wave thing. Yeah, so that happened. So that's the embarrassing part about it. And then not only there, I made another mistake, which is surprising, right? Because if you're a constant viewer of mine, you know I never make those. Absolutely not. This is the one of a kind. It will never happen again on this channel. So, oh, whoops. Looks like it just happened again. It won't happen after this. After this time, it won't happen again. I think. And I know you might be wondering why I didn't go all the way around with the juice groove. And there is a reason for that, which I'll touch on later on, which I'm actually working on right now. So I'll tell you, it don't matter. I'm currently routing this area out. It's kind of like a handle, but it's also doubles as an area where I'm going to put a tray or a plate or something. So once you're done cutting stuff up, you can just scrape it off on there. If it don't make sense now, it'll make sense later. I promise. And I think I'm using the wrong bit here. I didn't have the correct bit on hand, and if I was to order it, that'll take like a day or two. And then if I was to go get it from Lowe's, that will take effort and time, and I have to drive, and I don't want to do that. So I'm just using what I have. Once I get this area routed out, I went ahead and used this multi-tool and kind of just sand the area. And I also just went ahead and sanded the whole thing. I didn't show you any of it because who likes to watch someone sand Actually, I do like to watch someone sand, but we're not doing this right now for the entire board. I started out at 80 grit and worked my way all the way up to 220. Of course, spraying it in between with water, and then yeah. Now it's time to add some oil. And I know. Before I said that something else was my favorite thing, like scraping the glue off, yada yada yada. But this has to be in my top five at least. Adding oil and watching this thing pop, watching this ugly board pop. Because at the end of the day, it's really not as pretty as I thought it was gonna be. Oh boy! So after I let this oil completely soak in, that's it. Bob's your uncle, and Becky's your auntie. I just added that part in. But anyways, this is what we're looking like.